Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to take a BEREAL video. Let's get started. So to take a BEREAL video, it is very easy. Just open your BEREAL and sign into your BEREAL account. Then here you have to go and here you have to click on take your BEREAL. Okay, click on take your BEREAL. So at here you have to allow your camera, allow your just click on here and it will take 1 2 3. Here we go. So by long press you can just do that. By this way you can click on the send button and you can send. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.